You searched how to buy shares of Twin Vee PowerCats Co, and in this clip we show the process. Twin Vee builds high-performance catamarans and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VEEE. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search field and type the ticker VEEE to locate the listing. Confirm the search result matches Twin Vee PowerCats Co to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to understand recent movements. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker VEEE match before proceeding. To place an order, choose the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade completes, your position will appear in the portfolio. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.